Hey guys, it's Leah. Happy Halloween, spooky sisters! Today's video is going to be a Halloween get ready with me video. I don't know if Halloween weekend is this past weekend or next weekend, honestly, because like Halloween's in the dead center. Who knows? The turn up may continue. If you guys want to get details on how I did my hair and makeup and also my outfit, then just keep on watching. Clarification, I have AirPods in my ears, which are wireless headphones, because last time I did this I had these like off-brand AirPod looking things in and people literally thought I had a hearing aid, so just thought I'd clarify. I've already did most of my base. I used this VDL Lumi Layer Primer, and this is super cool because it's like an iridescent primer. My IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. As far as powder goes, I started off with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder in Medium Deep, and then I also went in with this Dermablend Professional Banana Powder to bake my under eyes and get them looking bright. You feel me? How to really start off the look, I'm gonna go in with this Dirrty Pre-Shadow, just your classic eyeshadow primer, you feel me? So just put that all over your lids so they're ready for the super dark eyeshadow look we're finna do. While that sets in, I'm just gonna go in on my brows. I've just been using this really dope Il Makiage Hypnotize Fix and Fill Brow Shaper, and mine is in the shade Espresso. So you might want to use like a brow pencil or pomade if you want your eyebrows to be super intense. My brows are pretty thick naturally, so I just usually always use a brow gel. I'm gonna go in with my Lorac Pro 2 palette. I'm gonna take some of these lighter colors like beige, rosé, snow, kind of mix them all together and put them on my lid. The goal is to basically make your inner corner super frosty, super light. You want it to really stand out, and it's gonna contrast with the dark eyeshadow that we're gonna use really well. I'm gonna go in with with light brown and Nectar, yeah, just so that I can get a skin tone type color in my crease right now so that it's easy to blend out the really dark eyeshadow. I just put that on my outer part of my lid and my crease and stuff. Try not to put it on the inner corner too much because then you just kind of like wipe off the nice little frosty look that you did, so I kind of just did that. So I'm gonna go back with a little bit more of the lighter colors and bring that back. I'm gonna take this really cute little YSL palette type thing. I'm gonna take this like cool slate gray metallic color over here, and I'm gonna use that in my like outer corner and crease. I like using this better than black so it's not like too intense, but we will go in with a little bit of black in a second. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a smaller brush. I almost stabbed myself in the eye there. That was a close one. Take the black color also from the Lorac Pro palette. So now I'm gonna go back in with the YSL palette with this slate color just to blend it together a little more. So then I'm gonna go back in with the brown colors to kind of blend the black and darker colors into my crease. Okay, so now that you're done blending all of that out, I hope you know it may not be perfect, but it's not meant to be perfect. You know, like Dirty Xtina, you feel me? This Sigma Wicked Gel Eyeliner, this packaging, I usually use like felt tip liner. Gel eyeliner is so much more pigmented, and I really want my eyeliner to be super intense, super dark, super black. And you have way more control over the shape of it with this too. So as you can see, it's really intense, but we're chilling. And I'm also gonna put it on my tight line up here and my waterline so my lashes look more thick. So for my lashes, I'm gonna start off with the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. It's just like the white mascara stuff that makes your lashes super long. Then I just curled my lashes, and I'm gonna use this IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. The difference is insane! Do you see that? And I have no eyelashes. Like, this mascara is fire. I got it in my BoxyCharm this month. I will link BoxyCharm down below if you guys like want one of those cool makeup subscription boxes, but fire, dude. And it was full size, yeah!
But you know, in all day they couldn't say the shit they wanted to say. They had the fake orgasms and shit. Side by side, twin sisters, side by side. Shaking side by side, oh boy, rubber boy.
Really cute brush actually came with this wig, which is super dope. I'm not gonna straighten my hair. Dirty Xtina, I mean the word says it all, so obviously like you can straighten it if you want, but it doesn't have to be pin straight. It can just be like, you know. I will be doing a little more to the hair in a second. Okay, we're gonna start off with this Sam Marcel Paris Luxurious Highlight Palette. I'm gonna take the colors Cream and Trace Chic and just put those where highlighter would be, I guess. I really want to glow since it's Halloween, so we're going in. So I applied that kind of messily, but it's fine because we're just going to take this big brush and blend it in. This Dirrty Blush Bomb palette. So this one's in Burgundy Blast. It's super pretty. It actually has highlighter and blush. These two really cool pink colors, kind of added to the apples of my cheeks to add some color to my face. So we're gonna do the same thing after that with our big brush, just kind of blend it. We're really trying to stunt on them. You can highlight even more, like get a really shiny pigment or something. Do way less highlight with this because I already have some on, so I'm not trying to be like annoyingly shiny. You can also take your highlighter pigment on whatever brush you were using for your inner corner and also put the highlighter there. Just gonna set my... For the hair look, it is so easy, you guys. All you pretty much have to do is get a wig, or if you're already blonde, there you go. So all I decided to do was put a few small braids just like throughout my hair, just to give the vibe that she was kind of giving off, because it's super simple, super easy, so fast, and literally ties the look together so well. This wig is from Ririhair. Came with some wig caps. I already had a wig cap, so I just used the one I already have. And yeah, the packaging is super cute. I got this ash blonde wig with highlights. It's Brazilian hair and it's only a lace front. I would usually get like a 360-degree lace wig if you're gonna wear the wig every day or you have a very specific hairstyle you want to do, like an updo or something. I got this wig mainly for my costume and just days that I'm trying to like stunt or something, because I'm feeling myself, y'all, I have to say. But yeah, this one's only a lace front, but I'm probably only gonna wear it like this for the most part anyway. 18 inches with 130% density, and one thing that I really love about it is it has a pre-plucked hairline, so you don't have to worry about plucking the hairline to make your edges look natural and stuff. The knots are bleached, so when it comes to customization and stuff, they have done a lot of the things that people might do when they buy a wig, so if you don't really know how to customize them, that's why it's good for beginners. You guys can use my code Leah to get 15% off Ririhair. I will have them linked down below, and this exact wig if you guys are interested. They have so many different colors, all that jazz. I particularly love this one just because it has the brown roots. Yeah, I feel like Hannah Montana or something, honestly. I mean, even though I'm Dirty Xtina, but like, so for the hair look, it is so easy, you guys. All you pretty much have to do is get a wig, or if you're already blonde, there you go. All I decided to do was put a few small braids just like throughout my hair. Depending on which braid I'm doing, I tie them off at different lengths as well. So for example, like the first two braids I do on each side might be here, and then the next two are probably gonna be tied down like down here. I love that this wig came with this brush. Like, I literally have a brush like this for my natural hair because it's really good for detangling, so whoops. That was for sure a plug. So this is the finished hair look, and honestly I would do more. The only reason I'm not is because I ran out of these little small elastics. If you guys were curious where I got my costume from, it's so cute. Oh my god, it's from Dollskill. It came with these really cool buckle up pants. A too hot leg part is so cool, flamed out. I left the pants unzipped so I could wear them with these super cool like latex patent leather shoes. Oh my gosh, these are like the underwear that you wear because your butt low-key shows through the pants. Not low-key, actually. High-key. Let me correct myself. That says too hot, and then the top is just like a fire swim looking top. I can't find it anywhere, but obviously you guys can see my look in all the pictures. I love this hair and makeup look, you guys. Oh my gosh, this wig is from Ririhair and it is so nice. But yeah, this is pretty much my look. I also added some glitter. So I have this lemon head glitter that I got from Riley Rose. It's super cute. I wanted to add something because there was a lot of open skin, so I was like, let me add some glitter. So I put the glitter here. I got a little bit of glitty and then on my booty. I'm gonna wear it with my Crocs just in case you guys were wondering. It looks so good. Thank you. And Hannah over here is the—
I'm not dressed. Oh. I'm not ready.
Actually Kim Possible for my first Halloween costume, if you guys saw that. It's gonna be a pill bottle tonight, and this is also from Dollskill. It's so cute and I just think it's really quirky and funny. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Ririhair if you guys are looking for a new wig. This one is so adorable and I've been getting mad compliments on it, so I will have it linked down below with my coupon code. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!